Right, guys, and welcome to Geeky Shaves. Got something a little bit different today. It's not shaving related. Basically, it's this. So it's from Wild, and what's happened is I was watching YouTube. Hey, I post on YouTube, so of course I watch YouTube, and an advert came up, and it intrigued me, and it actually made me laugh, and I thought it was quite a funny advert. So. It was an advert Wild did about, and it had a polar bear in it. So I thought, do you know what? It was such a creative advert, really caught my attention, got me in. I thought I'd buy some product, and so I did. I bought some. Now, this is a deodorant, and it's not a very cheap deodorant, let's be honest, but it's all natural, and this is my unboxing. So, let's have a look. As you can see, not opened it yet. So let's see. To start with, welcome to the Refill Revolution. And on the back of it, they got a load of advertising for other companies. Here we go. So, a little bit about how to get started. Make sure the case is twisted down as far as it can go. It's all about the base. Squeeze in both buttons at the same time and pull the base down and out. Refill ready. Remove the refill lid and give the sides a squeeze. Lock. It's got ready for more. So there's lots of different other smells that you can get, and a basic list of ingredients of what the products are. Fill your plate and some gumph about why it's so good for you over standard deodorants. So, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, to be honest. That is a big, hefty stick. Nice thing was, you could personalise it. Limited on space, so I ended up with Geek OS for Geek of Shaves. Of course I did. Came in a range of colours, and I went with black because the others were very girly, very pastely. Nothing wrong with that, just not for me. So, I think it said it was aluminium. The inside, that is definitely plastic though. So it's got definite amount of plastic in it. I thought it was all aluminium. Squeeze to open. Okay. So, is this spring-loaded at all? No. So why is there such a big base before it gets even into it? I don't see the point in that, because it just seems to be void filling. Why would you want a void fill apart from to make it look bigger? Can't be right. Anyway, we'll find out. This is all new to me. Yeah, I thought it was going to be an aluminium, brushed aluminium. When you see like their main pictures, it's sort of silvery. So you think it's going to be a brushed aluminium case. I'm sort of disappointed. What am I talking about, sort of? I am disappointed. I thought it would be a nice, cool, funky aluminium case. Oh well. Is what it is. I thought it would be an aluminium case, and I thought it would be engraved, whereas it is inkjet ton. You can still feel it, so that's likely to wash off at some point. Let's have a look. So on the package I bought, it comes with 3 sets of refills. Now they're in cardboard. I've lost the lid off of one of these already. So I guess that'll be the one I'm going to start using, considering it is. So the ones I went with was orange and neroli, sandalwood and patchouli, and mint and aloe vera. So look, have a quick reread of this. Make sure the case is twisted down as far as it can go. Okay. Aha, so if I twist, it goes up. But clearly it was already down as far as it could go. Let's see what happens if I... No, it won't let you pull out unless it's all the way down. Fair enough. Now it's all the way down. And now it will release. Wonder if I can twist it. Aha, so you can twist it when it's out the case. And it just raises up. Now I understand what that's all about. Not just void filling. It is so that you can open and shut. Okay, so it's all about the squeeze button and the buttons at the same time and pull the base out. Done. Refill ready. Remove the refill lid. Give the sides a squeeze and position on the groove. Aha. So there's a slot which will get fit into that. There we go. So then you basically put it inside here. Cardboard outer on the deodorant clearly just keeps it nice and away from the inside of the plastic. And then if I start to turn, there we go. So, quite simple. Let's see how it gets on, shall we? It's not a very strong smell. Or do you want it too strong for a deodorant? I'm not so sure. I notice on the back of them it says aluminium free, which will mean it's a deodorant, not an antiperspirant. So it applies quite well. It's rounded off on the top now as I applied, so there's obviously quite a bit been applied. And it's as simple as that. I think in their adverts they should have possibly used the less shiny metallic ones, because I just feel disappointed it's not aluminium and it's plastic. Although the lid could easily be made out of aluminium, and the main case could easily be made out of aluminium. Admittedly, the base and the mechanism that actually raises it up would be much more difficult to make out of aluminium. So I could see that still being plastic, but yeah. I think it worked out to be like £6 a unit, which I don't know about you, but I think that's quite a lot. Considering you can pick up deodorants for like £1, £1.20 as a roll-on in most supermarkets in the UK. But it was the advert I thought was cool. Although I'm disappointed it's not aluminium, it's still pretty cool. The fact I've got my name on it is cool, and you get to keep the case. So that does sort of make you want to repurchase these. Personally, I like antiperspirants, so the fact that it's just a deodorant might mean that I'm less likely to use it all the time, because I like my antiperspirants. And I don't understand why it could only be there. Why couldn't they have done a nice big right in there? So those would be my suggested improvements. Change where your personalisation is so that it's on the main body, because you can get more on. But apart from that, yeah, does exactly what it says on the tin. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and